Hey y'all, my name's Amanda. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to search for a knitting or crochet pattern if all you have is a picture of the finished item, of the finished project. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm also going to show you what to do if it doesn't give you easy results and you have to dig a little bit more. So we'll do two examples. The first example is going to be these fingerless gloves. So all you're going to do is go to Google, click on images, and then this little camera icon, you'll click on that. You have two options. You can either paste the image URL or upload the image, where you choose it from your files. But I'm going to use the URL option, so I'm just going to copy this, paste it there, search. So first it's going to just show that Google recognized it's a knitting pattern. I'm not too concerned about that. You're just going to keep scrolling, and you actually have right here at the bottom, the only result it's going to give you is a link to the pattern on Ravelry. So that one was really easy. This is actually a free pattern. So that one was super simple. But what happens if you have one that's more difficult and the results aren't as easy to find? So I'm going to go to Google again. This time I'm going to look for these gloves. I'm going to use the same option. Click on images. Click on this camera icon. I copied the URL here. I'm going to paste it. Search. Okay, so this one's, as you can see, it's a little trickier. First off, the first results are in French. If you scroll down, it looks like none of these links are actually to a pattern. They look to be posts like on blogs and things like that. But I'm going to click on the first one and see what I can find out. So if I scroll, it looks like someone is making these gloves and they're for sale somewhere, is what I'm gathering from this post. I'm still looking for a link, and I found it here, so I'll click on that. And as I suspected, they are selling these gloves on Etsy. Now, they don't have a pattern, okay? But what I do see when I search for these gloves is that at the top it's calling them dragon gloves. And if I go back, dragon gloves, crochet scales, okay? So what that's gonna lead me to do is go back to the main Google page and search for dragon crochet gloves pattern free, okay? And it's gonna give me all sorts of options here. So I have some more pictures here. If I scroll down a little bit, it looks like there are actually video tutorials, or this one here is a free pattern on Ravelry. So sometimes you have to dig a little bit, but usually you can find what you're looking for. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up and you would consider subbing before you exit my channel. Thanks for sticking with me. Hope to see you next time. Bye.